Our year-round service allows us to fix small potholes during the winter freeze cycle and help prevent large and expensive repairs in the spring. The pothole repair thermal bonding system uses specialized equipment to quickly heat the repair area to the same temperature as when the asphalt was originally placed. Once heated, our technicians quietly square off the damage area. We rejuvenate and recycle the existing asphalt in place, use hot AC20 to bond, and add fresh VDOT approved hot asphalt to replace missing material. The repair is then leveled and compacted by our heavy-duty rollers. In about 20 minutes, you'll have a beautiful, durable, seamless repair where there was a pothole. Best of all, there will be no complaints because there's absolutely no site disruption.